Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making a spinach and rice frittata with bacon, and I'll be using my Philips Air Fryer XL. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. Everything was already in my refrigerator, so that made this a really easy breakfast. First, I'm going to start by beating the 4 eggs with a little kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, I'm adding half a cup of spinach to a 7-inch round pan that I sprayed with Pam. I am now adding half a cup of rice and some chopped bacon and pouring the eggs over the top. Finally, I'm topping with half a cup of shredded cheese. Time to put it in the air fryer, 360 degrees for 12 minutes. And I promise I'm not giving you the finger, guys. After about 6 minutes, I can tell it's not going to take the full 12 minutes. So I put it in there for about 2 more minutes and then it was done. Okay, so now it's time to plate it up. This looks absolutely delicious. The eggs are cooked perfectly. Here's my easy peasy breakfast that also works for dinner. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to hang out with me on Facebook, I'll put a link to my pages in the description box. As always, thanks so much for watching, and be sure to share and subscribe. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.